We developed Orken using React Native with Express CLI and Visual Studio Codes, mainly coding in JavaScript using some extra libraries that we will talk about later. We chose React Native for its cross-platform capabilities and strong community support, allowing us to build a smooth mobile experience efficiently and quickly. We mainly coded it for Android device, but it is easy to adapt it to iOS. We didn't choose block-based platforms because they limit flexibility and customization. For our app, we need advanced functionality and the ability to integrate external libraries since we are planning to add more difficult to implement functions, such as complex computer vision. Also, we used GitHub for saving code to share between two coders. We created real-time database in Firebase to save users' data securely and connected with Firebase app and Firebase database library. When the user submits a mail and password, the app checks. If the user exists, it logs in. If not, it automatically registers a new account with a unique ID.
In transit phishing attacks detection guide page, we're using React Native built-in linking model through phone's native dialer in order to call 911 in compliance with Android and iOS safety guidelines. And in order to make a precise Dombra tuner, we used XPDev client, a special assembly which allows to use native models, which are not supported in XPGO standard. Thanks to it, we used React Native auto record to detect sounds and pitch finder. The pitch is compared with standard Dombra music, and there is made a logarithmic frequency conversion. Generally, we're finding our tuners through React navigation.
We are planning to expand our app. Firstly, we want to improve the main function with adding computer vision to check people's mistakes more precise and give better advice for playing Dombra. In the future, we want to add more complex functions. One of the most interesting ideas is dance-based rehabilitation. Simple CD-powered exercises inspired by traditional dances like Karaj or Ha, with a system similar to popular jazz dance to support motor recovery, especially muscles of shoulder. Other functions can make the app more multi-purpose. For example, Kazakh music playlists and recommendations. Users can relax or focus during rehabilitation with traditional Kazakh songs that is increasing brain activity and supports local artists.
Community for people who are combating this disease or want to help their close people. Condition adaptation. We also plan to adjust the app for users with conditions like Parkinson's disease and so on, because this function can help not only with stroke. And also motivation system. Users earn streaks, track songs that are completed, collect points to stay engaged daily, and maintain discipline.
We tested Orken on 13 stroke patients in Sarqyt Center. They rated it well and gave us useful feedback. The main key points were identified. First, patients didn't know how to tune the instrument, so we added a Dombra tuner. Also, elderly users had trouble reading text and finding buttons, so we increased their size and improved colors. Also, we were advised to add Kazakh national dance's easy elements to improve their rehabilitation.
The main page uses React Native WebView to embed a web app powered by the ML5JS pitch detection model, ideal for web-based tone recognition thanks to its simplicity and real-time accuracy. WebView connects React Native and the library because it works only with web JavaScript pages. The screen shows the instructions. For example, play the note rep with guiding images and AIDA's suggestions based on usual mistakes. If the correct note is placed, the screen updates to a new note, for example, play me, with news instructions and images, and the other music notes upon success. If the note is incorrect, the app prompts try again and stays on the same screen. We also use our Expo AV to handle audio permission, record and analyze user sounds frequency to identify accuracy.